So the liquidity to the left swept and it's respecting this fair value gap and it's also flipped this guy. So expecting lower prices at least to this point, but it didn't. What happened yesterday is price just come and sweep this area, not even reach this point. From here itself, it start to flip the fair value gaps. Big news candle, big manipulation. It's kind of still holding the price, right? It's kind of still holding the price, not close above. But the following candles just ran through the fair value gaps and just keep on going higher towards this point. So these are all engineered liquidity has been taken by setting towards this place. So after this location, we got some retracement, I guess, yeah, good retracement to some point to that, not even to that, pretty much close to the fair value gap level. Then it was, then it's closed above and start to expand higher. And this, let's see what's going to happen. It's going to expand to the weekly high, or else it's just reverse its direction since it's basically there is no candle close above this range. It's kind of accumulated, sweeping the high. What happened? Let's see. So this is going to be the internal draw, right? Give me a second. So this is gonna be the internal draw. So in the round, Chris exactly stopped here, keep on rejecting, and the last one I just sweep the liquidity. Okay. This completely flip this travel gap, bro. That's the reason why it's keep on holding on. Reason why, okay, is your internal internal buy side liquidity. It's an internal buy side liquidity, and it's pretty much flipped its direction, bro. You know, now it's clearly lost a swing. which gives a structure shift, and this tiny family gap holding the price, and this value that in got inverse, its act as inverse pushing higher. It's go all the way up. It's a CP candle, go all the way, sweep all this thing, one close below. Then it's an indecision. Next candle start to go high. It's an indecision. Um, Next candle start to expand higher, higher, higher. Clear out this fair value gap plus this news candle high. Let's keep on going all the way up to this liquidity. It clears out this liquidity. This it is a clear liquidity, right? So, mm, yes. Yes. Feel the fear, do it anyway, bro. Don't have any option but to entering the class. If you are not doing today, it's gonna be very big problem. It's gonna be the problem then, bro. So, so all the data has been taken out. So this is the last candle inside this thing. Mm, 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 mm. Don't think too much about your model is obvious. It's gonna print in really clear way. It will print in a way you can clearly identify the model. So you don't need to look up for the model. Just mark the levels. Just wait for the model to present. Otherwise, just a cache. This is a really nice move, bro. But think about it. Liquidity internal has been swept. This is the wrong liquidity. There's a rebalance to this fair value gap. It clears out this liquidity. It's entering this fair value gap line with these breakers. So once it reached this point, what happened? Instant reaction in 1 minute. Instant flip in 1 minute. Once it flipped, it's fair value gap you entered with the top of the row targeting this side. You should have that much knowledge and confidence, bro. You should know the direction of the market, then you can entering the trade carefully. That's the first sign. It's entering. It's give some reaction, bro. Once it entering that value gap, it's give some reaction in 1 minute and 5 minutes. It's flipping the recently found value gap. That's the reason why I entered to the stop at the low, expecting this fair value gap to hold the price and pushing all the way up to this point. Our second target is going to be this high. This is how I need to trade every single day. Don't think too much, and don't look up for external validation. You validate your models. The thing is, I knew for a fact that my model is clearly working. I saw that enough time, and I have that conviction as well. So I know how it plays. Due to my experience, I know how it plays. I know where it occurs and what kind of things will involve in my model. I pretty much know everything. So all I need to just wait for that to appear and enter. That's it, bro. Nothing else. Nothing much. I had to watch my videos because from my videos I can understand what mistakes I'm doing, why it was a missing trade, why I executed it, why I was a bit hesitate to execute that, why I was a bit hesitation at the time of execution, what makes me hesitation. So I have journaled my own trades, which will significantly help to grow my trading career, bros. Hmm. As of now, it's just sweep the high, start to reverse its direction. There's a lost value that got inverse, so it might act as inverse fair value gap, at least a 50% level. Let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, this one lost a swing. Don't create entry window, please. According to 5 minutes, the change in the state should be here. If I get the structure shift with displacement here, pretty much this is going to be the change in the state. 1 minute, it's already give the change in the state. In what time? 7:26, bro. The recently formed high has been taken. So the place of the high in the fair value gap that holding the price now got ran through. So I didn't see anything clearly, but the thing is, so the liquidity already taken. It started to retrace the price all the way towards this one and big move to the upside. And again come and sweep the highs. After close of this high, what happening? What's happening, bro? You just sweep and it just get respected all the way towards this point. Once this price has been taken out, then price just flip the fair value gap. So so this is going to be my structure shift. Am I right? This is where the price keep on creating supports. There is going to be my structure shift. So it's kind of a bit confusing. I'm not that clear with this. According to me, my ground liquidity going to be the weekly high. Flip and train. What might be my shot? So it's firstly getting swept. After clears out all the highs, what happened? It gives some retracement for this big bullish move. Might be okay. High rebalancing to clears out the first high. Is one of the first structure shift with I gap flip once the price entering this point and turn the position. Put the stop at the high. As of now, I'm on a 7.64. I target invest. That's it. So inside this it's slow getting swept. Structure shift bro. So pretty much entering the position to target this low, this high. So what's the risk factors going to be very quick? So I'm entering 0.3 here and 1.358, 1.35839. Hi bro. Hi bro. Targeting weekly highlight. What? Hello bro. At this point, I should exit the patience, bro. Bro, it's just a retracement, bro, to the breaker. And with the discounted power here. Once it comes to this point, it's low, high, structures with big displacement. So I should have entered my position right here. I should have entered my position right here. Just once I get the change in the state, I should have entered my position here for the stop delay, but it didn't fill it. I'm talking. So happy the target. Let's go to 5 minutes. What's happening here? It's late. But late, the execution is a bit late and the logic is not good. A lot of things go. Just the more last of it, it's gonna be active inverse. That okay. Second thing, the whole center is gonna be the premium family. Please keep going holding. Start to reverse its direction. In 1 minute, it's clear. If we zoom, if we zoomed in, it's not only once the price tap the breaker. This is gonna be the breaker, right? Breaker, the displays will come all the way down. Once it tap the breaker, align with the infrared, yeah, what happened? Again, a market by model. No. minor sweep, big section bro. So this kind of time, what you should do is you should enter the question because it's tiny risk, bro. It's fucking tiny risk. This is gonna be the risk of 5 people. So you should execute at least 5 people, and you should execute at least one lot here. So just wait for this. Boom. Yeah, it's a notification. Have you done the first question around this range? Zero point zero five in there. Super. 1.35842. 1.35842. Make it enough. 5 minutes. Yes, 1.357. 1.357. Go. Have you got it? One standard lots. Let's see how it's gonna work. If it is not, it's gonna be. I think that's 7550. Like to see some continuation. Well, I don't like to say any close below this change. Any stop. 1.35788. I wanna see this Helios flip. If it's not, I'm wrong. It's gonna be the equal and it's coming down. It's pretty much responding this video. I don't like it. I don't like this guy doing this. 1.357. Hey, 1.3502, 1.35802. It's up. All I wanted to see this value of but it's kind of rejecting low. It's kind of flip its direction. Let's see. Why? 1.3503. 1.35803. One point three five eight zero three. Not gonna work, bro. It's not gonna work. In a right or am I wrong? Okay, bro. Good night. Good night, bro. It's kind of super, bro. It would be. Is it? Edit fellow, mistake fellow, and message bag. Honest, it's not right. Close it, close it, close it. Open. Close it. Open 50K, 50K group. What happened to you? It's kind of, it's not a big loss, buddy. Not a big loss, 250. Bank loss. With I put, it's not even 150. God damn. Holy fuck, what did I create mistakes here? It's gonna go lower. It's actually selling price action going and grow. So one lot put $45 on the present equity audible. Phew. Oh my god, what morning content different. Actually, what happened here is it made a చిన్న డౌట్ ఉండదు ఇది ఈక్వల్ లోవా లెస్ వీక్ అంటే no bro, no, whatever it is, I just closed it. I'm good with this. I'm not going to execute any model hereafter. The fuck. It's invalid two family gaps below. It's clearly closed below. It's literally coming to this point, this point. It's reaching this family gap, I guess. Why I'm afraid, here you can see the liquidity to the left has been taken, right? So there's already rebalance, everything has been done. Now the price, what happened? There's a clear swing to the upside. Price clears out the last high. Okay, what happened then? And it's also flipped this family gap. This is the family gap. This is not even this is a tiny family gap. This is beautiful family. This family gap getting ran through, and in 1 minute it's gonna be even clear. So what happened here is yeah, what is it I'm talking about? This is the way I'm not supposed to trade. This is the way I have to wait for my model once I enter. There is no touch. There is no touch. I have to wait for the model to give at least 1 is to today. It gives. I don't think it gives 1 is to 2, bro. It gives 1 is to 1.5. It's a perfect long. So this is going to be this is going to be TP1 for sure. What's going to stop us? It's quick one is one, bro. Quick one is one. Quick scalp. It might be a quick scalp, but besides that, I don't see anything. Just the point is, it gives us gives. I'll explain it clearly. Okay. Fuck off the fucking chat, please. Fuck off the fucking chat. Every fucking single time I'm doing the same fucking mistake. If it flipped, it's going to go to my fucking target. But I'm not in the game. I pretty much put lot of size here, but I'm not in the market. I was like a fucking bitch today. It's not an approach to my stop, bro. It's not an approach to my stop. It's now currently in break even. Not even a break even stage, bro. It's in a profitable time. It's currently in profit. It's currently in fucking profit, right? So I entered my positions here and I'm not waiting for the price to reach this point because I was too FOMO. That FOMO led me to enter here. Think about it for a moment, bro. If I'm just patiently wait and see my stop losses just get hit, it will not even approach my stop loss, bro. If I'm not doing anything, I just put my stop loss at this point. At this is a failure, right? This is a failure, so I need to put my stop here. If I'm just put my stop here, there is no price approaching my stop, bro. No price. Please come and stop at this point. It's again flip its direction. Now it's reached this point. Once it get flipped, we're good to go. The target is going to be this and this. Why the hell I'm trading like such a bitch? I'm such a bitch. Why I'm not even stick with my plans? So okay, according to our model, where you should put two limit orders, bro. You should put two limit orders here or here at this value, right? Why the hell you then enter here? Because of the FOMO. Because of FOMO, due to FOMO, and this is like it's such a shift. So I kind of confusing myself. Bro. I'm kind of confusing myself. I know how to trade. I know what to do. I know all the fucking shit, but I'm doing something completely opposite to that. Once I set my entry and set my stop, the reason behind that is I'm trading with fucking 5 to 6 platforms. I'm not in past one yet, but I'm trading with multiple platforms, bro. Multiple platforms. That's the reason why I'm failing, keep on failing. If I'm just execute my positions here, right here, or else I see the reaction. So once it comes all the way down, it gives the reaction like a flip here. I can execute my position here, put the stop with the high. Holy fuck. Just wait and see what's going to happen. What's the news for today? No, it's not a big loss. It's nothing. It's nothing. I'm not considering it as a big loss. It's very tiny loss. Every account could only hit some tiny losses. Not even a big one. Very tiny. But this is not the way I can trade. I must suggest or advise I can do this kind of things in the future or should I? This completely ruined my mental health. Bro. It's completely ruined my mental health. It's once it flipped, it's obvious we can expect some lower prices. I just short at that place and keep my stop at the high, targeting some lower prices. That's just this liquidity. Since I identified the price is going to hit some. This is going to be the top stage, top 1.35915. This is the last entry for the review, to be honest. So 1.35915. 1.35915. So the reason for the short is so price place of the liquidity zones, structure shift, okay, structure shift the failure following the price now got ran through and it's continuously acting as inverse here and it's continuously acting as inverse here. If it is stop, I'm okay with that, and I'm not gonna trade anymore today in forex accounts. In for at least for today, because I'm completely at least for one or at least for 45 minutes. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just watch what's going to happen. I don't know. Is there any news for me? So there is a news, then it would be a bad idea, bro. It would be a really bad idea. I don't want to get into the news time. It's pretty much flipping its direction. Holy fuck. I thought it is a fucking news. Fuck off. They opened the lobby that was already went up there. They opened the lobby that pretty much I'm down $76 fucking. I don't take my numbers on the data keys. I want to be calling and what I'm gonna do now, just delete all those noises, bro. It's completely noise. It's kind of what happened now? What happening now? This is the current leg, right? This is the leg that goes study with good displacement. It's kind of is close all the way up. And it's kind of retracing back. Once it retracing back to this family here, it started reverse its direction, right? It started reverse its direction. It's kind of it's a tiny sweep, study shot at big displacement. So I set my limit out of here for the stop at this level. Is that my stop loss got approached today? No, not yet. It's gonna be a new candle. It's gonna be bump up, and stop loss not even approached. It's got hit. TP1 got hit. It's heading towards the weekly high. Had I not know, it's keep on going higher. It's going higher though. It's keep on going higher. Today I'm not gonna trade anymore in forex accounts. That's it. That's it for the day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I will trade tomorrow. That's it. Unless or until it plays out this weekly high, or it's a big target. So man, it kind of sucks me a lot. It kind of sucks me a lot. A lot of entries here. It's stop loss here. Not even approach my stop loss. It's keep on going higher. Not even respect any of my bearish thing. It's kind of tempting me here, but it's just ran through. So what's the move here? So these are entered. It's pretty much 2% up for the day. 2%, pretty much 2% up for the day. And not even a single stop has got approached. Please exactly stop at this point. Again, start to flip its direction and it started going higher. Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That's the reason why I'm I'm just flipping my direction here. Even though I identified everything in a proper way, it's just a retracement to this swing. To this swing, it's going to be a retracement, and this family completely get flipped. And it's a clear structure shift inside this 5 minutes fair value gap. Inside the 5 minutes fair value gap, it's exactly it's tapped the breaker. It's give the reaction to the upside, and it's clearly close above these highs and price rebalance to this range. So I'll set my limit order here, put the stop at the low. If my stop loss got approached, fucking bitch. So done for the day with Gbpusd. I'm up today. I'm up fucking 2% growth, but I'm down fucking 1%. I don't want to talk like this, like this kind of words, but I'm doing, bro. This way I'm not gonna be traded. This way I'm not gonna be traded. I know for a fact that I'm not gonna be traded this way. I can be a gambler. I can be everything but not be a trader. This kind of thing every day happen. This kind of things happening every single day. We don't need to worry or afraid about it. It's a clear sweep, bro. It's a clear fucking sweep. The stop loss supposed to be here. The reason for the very big manipulation is this entry. This is the entry where I execute due to FOMO, due to 100% FOMO. I knew for a fact that my limit order will execute. I will this will execute for sure. And once this value holding the price, once I see this flip, I have to enter blue and I have to enter again. Right? Still holding. And once the price come to this value, it's not even break in this place, right? The holy price not get I have to enter here. But but I but I come up with some different story. It's not even a model. It's not even a model. It's just a consolidation kind of retracement to this swing. This is a clean swing. This is just a retracement. What happening here? Nothing. Is there anything? Is there anything? Does it take any high? This is going to be the weekly high, bro. You know that the weekly high going to be the target. Today I'm up pretty much 2%. If I just sit on my hands, I'm up pretty much 2 fucking percentage, and I'm easily fucking past the challenge, bro. Like, fuck off. Every single day I'm doing the same fucking shit. I'm pitching myself up and down. I pretty much take my account to the break. I can do it again. It's not doubt at all. It's not doubt. I need to be disciplined. I need to be disciplined. I have to be disciplined. I have to be 100% disciplined. Once I planned and set my entry and stop loss, I shouldn't pack anything beyond that. I have to set the proper stop on target, bro. Fuck off, bro. So much tension. It's heading towards the weekly high, bro. It's heading towards the weekly high. It's pretty close to the weekly high. It's pretty close to the weekly high. Okay, fine. There's no rates. There's no fucking rates. Just move on to futures. It's not a good feeling, but it's not a good fucking feeling. Unwantedly lost my money. Unwantedly lost my money. Let's see what's going to happen after it's approaching this point. Deadly high. Is there anything superficial, specifically I can look up for to trade? எவ்வளோ கடுப்பா இருக்கு தெரியுமா? கடுப்பு இதனால என்ட்ரியை பிடிச்சி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். கிட்ட வந்துருச்சு பயந்துட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுவேன். ஸ்டாப் அடியாம டேக் போயிட்டு அவன் என்ன யோசிச்சுனா ஏன் செல் மாடல் இருக்குதான் யோசிச்சிட்டேன். கிளியர் ஸ்விங் இந்த இடத்துல வந்துட்டு பேசிட்டு ரியாக்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கு இதை ப்ளஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்டாப் வச்சு இங்கே போட்டுட்டு இருக்கலாம். அதெல்லாம் யோசிக்கலாம். ஐ தாட் இது வந்து ஒரு கிளீனான ஸ்வீப் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யோசிச்சு பயந்தேன். ஈக்குவலாக இருக்க போகுதுன்ட்டு. ரெண்டாவது இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி பிரைஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஃபாஸ்டா வந்தது. ஃபிளிப் பண்ணிடுச்சு. இதையும் ஃபிளிப் பண்ணிடுச்சு. மோஸ்ட் ப்ராபபிலி இட்ஸ் கோயிங் டு கோ லோவர், grab some liquidity and then it's gonna move higher in நினைச்சிட்டேன். That's where I did the mistake. And the point is, in plan பண்ண கிலோமீட்டர் the last one here clearly got ran out and it clearly acted as inverse. Most probably it should. This is a clear swing for you. And this is the this is the breaker. Once please tap the breaker, it gives the reaction. I set my limiter here. It's fucking great execution. And the stop loss is going to be what? This is the area, okay? And the stop loss is going to be so so and the stop loss is going to be this is parallel, this is parallel, so I keep a stop at this point and targeting some high credits. This is good, but I still keep my stop at this point. I take the journal book and journal it. Winning date ordered the closing due to my due to my FOMO and fear of losing money. Due to FOMO and fear of losing money, two things helped me to successfully fail the today's entries. Clearly என்னோட வீக்லி ஹைவே டார்கெட் எடுத்துருக்கு ப்ரோ. வீக்லி ஹைவே கிளியரா டார்கெட் எடுத்துருக்கு. பயந்துருக்கவே தேவையில்ல. பயப்படாம என்ன வச்சுக்கோ எல்லாத்துலயும் சூப்பர் அன்லாக். ஒன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேம் லாட்ஸ் இன் எவ்ரி ஃபக்கிங் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் லாட்ஸ். At this point of time, I'm up pretty much 2% bro. Today in my fucking entry, not in a person stop, but I am the one made it wrong. I am the one collapsed it, messed it up. See, it's something super fishy, bro. This way, I'm not gonna be a trader, bro. That's something. It's just I'm not gonna be. I need to be fucking disciplined also. Set the entry and stop loss. I don't have any access. I can manage the stop. It should not extending, not tighten it. Try to put it in a right way, right place. I'm start bitching myself up on a bad day. Okay, GBP USD less than Q 12/06/2025. It's unwanted loss, bro. Unwanted loss. Last stop loss கூட நான் அப்ளை பண்ணல bro. தேவையில்லாம டைட் ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் போடுறேன், மைல் ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் போடுறேன், மண்ணாங்கட்டி ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் போடுறேன்ட்டு வச்சுட்டு போயிடலாம். அது முக்கியமான ரீசன் என்ன தெரியுமா? அங்க எடுத்த மாதிரி அதுதான். அந்த மேல உள்ள ஃபேர் வேல்யூ அப்புறம் எடுத்த மாதிரி ஒன்னா இந்த இடத்துலயே இந்த பிரேக்லயே எடுத்துருக்கணும். இடத்துக்கு கீழே ஸ்டாப் வச்சிருக்கணும். ஓகே. இந்த இடத்துல எடுத்துருக்கணும். ஸ்டாப் கீழ வச்சுக்கணும். பிரமிட் பண்ணது வந்து ஒரு கேவலமான உள்ள போயிருக்கு. அதான் பிரச்சனை. So today was ஆனா ஆக்சுவலி அத எனக்கு பார்த்தேன். அந்த லிங்க்கும் ஃபேவர்வெல் எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்தேன். பட் ஆனா அதுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் குடுக்கல. சரி ஓகே பிரைஸ் இன்னும் கீழ வந்தா வரும்னு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு பார்ப்பேன். எங்கேருந்து திரும்ப போகுதுன்னு தெரியல எனக்கு. அதான் பிரச்சனை. But this is a current swing. This is a current swing for us. And this is a break and 1 மினிட்ல எல்லாமே கிளியரா பண்ணிட்டாங்க. வந்து நல்ல ரியாக்ஷன் குடுத்திருக்கு. கிளியர் ரியாக்ஷன். So we have to just enter it and put the stop at the low. போச்சே ஆகல. லிமிட் ஆர்டர் போட்டுச்சுன்னா போய் ஆகல. 1 லாட் போட்டீங்கன்னா 5 வெறும் 5 பிப்ஸ். $50. It's gives pretty much we capture it pretty much 2 to 2.5 percentage today. போதும் ப்ரோ. நீ ட்ரேடிங் போய் it's an unfortunate thing. Like this is not a one and only trade for today. This is not a one and only model or not a model. It's a one and only model for me. Okay. But this is not a one and only trade. I'm not gonna take this kind of trades. I'm not gonna get this kind of trades. It's once in the blue moon. No, bro. It's every single day you catch that fucking entry. All you need to do build conviction around it. All you need to do it in a right way, clear way. Every single day you should improve something out of it. Got it. You're not lost much today. You just lost 0.5, 0.6%. It's good. Actually accumulate 1%, right? According to me, it makes some sense. It's clear. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you are right. It's going higher. It's hurting me badly. So it's hurting me badly. But what I'm trying to say is, if I get any good reaction like that reaction before it flipped the favor gap, I would be good to hold the trade. But it flipped the favor gap, bro. It's clearly flipped it here. It's clearly flipped it here. It's not too long. It's so I'm afraid to close the positions once it is in the really small stops. So I closed it. And overall loss is not even 0.5 percentage. It's very high. It's very low. That time I was confused, bro. So should I re-enter? It's again flip the family. So should I re-enter? Or I just wait for or I just wait. But I shorted it. But I come up with some different analysis and just shorted it. Weekly high has been taken, bro. Take profit height 840. I'm out from the market. Today was a fine day, but I made it long. First thing, major mistake already. Stop loss fear. Stop loss fear. So closed it manually. Second problem, FOMO. So execute in the execute in the premium FAG. not ready to put decent Excel. Yesterday was a fine day, but I made it wrong, made it bad. Structure shared the section of the people. Clean save பண்ணிட்டு மாடல் இருக்கீங்க அதோட மாடல் தான் மாடல் இருக்கீங்க கிளாஸ்ல வரும் என்ன அந்த பையன் நல்லா இருக்காப்லையாமா அது எழுந்துச்சு உட்கார முடியல ப்ரோ இல்ல அது பாவமா இருக்கு கிளம்புறாரு நல்லா காசு வரலீங்களா ப்ரோ நேத்து? நல்லா இருந்துச்சு ப்ரோ. உடம்பு கரெக்டா இருந்துச்சுல? ம், ம், ம். நீங்க எப்போ வந்தீங்க? நீங்க எப்போ வந்தீங்க? ஒரு மணி ஆயிடுச்சு. ம். சாப்பிட்டு வந்துட்டீங்களா? நான் சூர்யாடா போய் சாப்பிட்டு ம்ஹ்ம். So 8:30 minutes candle right. Mm. So previous day low has been taken and price tapped the bullish fair gap and it's not sweep this low. If it sweep this low, it's gonna be good for me. If it sweep this low, it's gonna be good for me, but it's been equal lows and go all the way up. This fair value gap pretty much holding the price and pushing lower towards this low, but it's failed to hit this low. Might be the SMT. Now it gives a structure shift. Flip this value up and give the structure shift, and it's created the big bullish imbalance in M15. So, so what I can expect out of it? So this is gonna be the daily low, bro. So I expect the price to reach this high at least. This is gonna be the target for me for today. This is at least this point. So today I'm bullish and I'm expecting the price to reach. This is going to be my target for sure, since daily low has been taken. So daily low has been taken and price rebalance one more time inside this fair area. come all the way down. I'd like to see some sweep, but it's failed to take this load, but it did tap the fair value gap. And it's kind of forming equal. That's what makes me feel a bit bad, bit bit not good. Made me feel bad, feel good. So if this big imbalance flipped its direction, the obvious draw like it is going to be this low, and we can target some lower prices. If not, we can look up for some sort of higher price. It's okay, Nana. So now what I'm trying to say is, I messed it up. I'm the one did something wrong today in GBPUSD. Everything was really good, and I learned something out of it. The position which I had today, the lot size is super crazy, and the position where I execute, it's not good. I know for a fact that I should execute my positions here, but I didn't. And yeah, it is what it is. And then the price which I'm closing manually is not too far. It's just a matter of 1 or 2 pips, 2 to 3 pips. If I just closed it, it won't affect as much. But I tried to do something different today, but it's ended up backfired me. Not only my profits, but also my mentality, my everything. So it's kind of good structure shift to the upside. Big fair value gap. So inside this value gap, I can look up for some sort of buy model and targeting this liquidity. This is gonna be the beautiful liquidity. So these are all the engineered liquidity. So once it gets flipped, I can targeting this highs. So as of now, I'm bullish. Previous day low has been taken. Not bullish fair value gap, and this liquidity has been taken. The only thing is it's get this equal lows. That's the only thing sucks me a lot. But still it's okay. It's rebalanced to this price, but now it's flipped. Big displacement. I just move on to 15 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes. So it's a big push. So let's see what is going to happen inside this 15 minutes parallel here. So what happened inside the 15 minutes parallel? I'd like to see that first. Though today, this week is so far so good, bro. Monday, I did the same mistake. I micromanaged my position. I lost. Tuesday is good. Wednesday good. Wednesday I'm get lucky. In other words, my bias was completely wrong. I just execute a trade with a very minimum conviction. Not a very minimal conviction, but the model is good, but it's not a repeatable, doable thing. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. So it's not gonna work. It's kind of gambling thing because it's not something solid for me to do. For me to do in the future. So the order flow is bearish and price go and sweep the high. From this perspective, I need to be completely bullish, bro. Yeah, it's a sweep, but it's kind of inside this fair value gap. I need to be bullish. If it flipped it to the downside, I can think of selling. And second thing, the SI low has been taken. Big push to the upside. In MT 15, it's flip all the fair value gaps. It just sweep the high. It might give some retracement too for this swing to the 50% of the level. I don't know how long it's going to be. Let's see. So in a matter of 30 minutes, the market going to open. Just wait and see. So this is going to be my TP1. This for sure is going to reach this point. If it flip this fair gap, I can expect the price to reach the daily previous day high. Since the market is completely bullish, let's say I'm gonna be bullish inside this range. Goods clear structure shift, big fair value gap. So like to see some sort of market maker buy model inside this range, especially especially inside this fair value gap. So why this is gonna be the break, right? Now it's feeling good. Hmm, okay, let's take the floor and touch some positions. I'm not deviate my word, bro. Just like deviating. Sweet. Let's flip this 5 gaps over enter my position inside this range. USD, new order, 0.35. What? So, new order. So that's final entry for the day, bro. It's pretty much final entry for the day. So 0.3 self short area accounts. Set stop loss and forget, bro. Set stop loss and forget. So one more and wait a second. Stop loss is going to be this high for sure. 36 confirmed. It comes to this place again. Go far on Georgia. Again, what is plus Go. So this is going to be the structure shift in M15. So there's gonna be the structure shift in M15. Once it's clear taken, structure shift M15 go. Let's wait and see. It's a structure shift here. Let's flip this value clearly. If there is any retracement, it will come to this point, bro. Sweep இங்க வந்து structure shift after getting the என்ன சொல்லலாம் something ஒரு இதை practice பண்ணு. Yeah, message it up. Now I see the model clearly. I'm gonna hold the trade at till which point? Lost my placing before this structure shift. Once it reaches this point, this place, this liquidity. This is the first place I am going to book my profits. Second take profit is going to be this one. First here. Second is going to that's it. Mm. Beautiful. 1.306 also. 1.360 also. 1.60, 1.360, 36077, 0.5 lot. Stock is going to be in units. 1.36194. 1.36. So 1.36194. Right stop. So decent stop loss. 1.3624. 362. So 1.36249. Not 36249. 1.360 something. 1.36241. 1.364. Clear structure sheet. 1.362. That is 3.5. Close monitor. It's going to be good. And what happened here? So close only 3 only tap on the at least. Hmm? 1.360. 1.36060. Okay. 25 tablet. 1.36060. And stop is going to be 1.3624. 1.362, 4.362, 4.324. Yeah, it was profit. Okay. Coming back to Baker, something like that example like this. It don't stop on the beer friction. Fine on it and the trade somebody fine on it and the trade. First trade is super fine. The short is the short. I don't expect fun that. Either I am content it is. Even though it's a damn good trade, bro. Even though if it's a loser, I calculate some profits. When I didn't get it. And I also able to trade it proper limit orders. Everything has been set. I don't need to panic. Worry about anything.
இன்னைக்கு ஃபுல்லா இது வேலை இருக்கும். வேலைன்னா இது ரெஸ்ட் சோறு இருக்கு, குழம்பு இருக்கு. சாப்பிடலாம்.
எவ்வளோ லீவ்ல போறது?
ஒரு 2 வாரத்துல வந்துருவாருன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஒர்க் பண்ணி கேட்டாரா? ஸ்டடி கேட்டாரா?
சரிதான். பிரேக்ல இருக்காப்ல 4 மாசம். People are about being getting for snacks around that. That's a little Katurbia. That's core style. Love it. Yes. Muito argument. Say, I didn't even go there. I didn't go there. I didn't go there. I was yeah, for oh,
Clean target. Bro,